Happy Thursday, 7th graders. I want to thank you for your work on your resource maps yesterday. Those maps highlighted the advantages of this area's physical geography. The weather, the climate, the landforms that they have allow them to grow special crops, okay, good for agriculture. And the rainforests and beaches allow for great tourism. So those are the advantages of that area's geography. Today, we're going to talk about how their geography becomes a disadvantage. And it has something to do with this orange. I want you to pretend that this orange represents the earth. Okay, so the skin or the peel of the orange is the Earth's crust. The crust is this thin layer that protects the mantle. And the crust is chopped up into actually little pieces. Just kind of like I have this peel here in these pieces that all fit together to cover the orange. Okay, but these pieces are always moving slightly, running into each other, slipping past each other, going over each other, and all of that activity is called seismic activity, and it causes things like volcanoes and earthquakes. I want to show you, let's pretend that these two boards here represent that orange peel and where they meet. One type of fault line, or one time of where they meet together, is a strike-slip fault, where they just run past each other like this, okay? They'll get caught and then finish that way. And that's how earthquakes are created. Take a look at your book. If you don't have it, hit pause and go get it. But you should be on page 145. On page 145, there's a map of the orange peel, okay, or where those plates come together. Do you see how Central America and the Caribbean, how their geography is hurting them now? That is where all these plates come together and where they are going to rub against each other, okay? They might rub this way, or they might go up on each other, or they might pull apart from each other. So all of that activity is happening in this area. Use your finger to point to the Cocos plate. Use your other finger, index finger, to point to the Caribbean plate. Now, put them together. Where do those two plates meet? Right along the western edge of Central America. You can see along the western edge of Central America, there are lots of red triangles, which are volcanoes, and lots of yellow circles, which are where earthquakes have happened. Then point to Haiti on your map. Why do you think Haiti has a lot of earthquakes? Yeah, it's right where the North American plate and the Caribbean plate meet. So there's going to be that activity, that seismic activity, causing earthquakes and volcanoes. So here is where their geography hurts them. They're in a place where lots of tectonic plates meet and are moving. What I'd like you to do for today is keep that orange peel in mind. Keep those boards in mind as you read. That will give you a visual for your lesson. But your to-do list today tells you to complete the attached assignment called 1.2. Okay. So let's launch that assignment. You're going to start by answering a question about this object lesson that I just gave you. And then you're going to read page 144 in your book. So you're going to read the first question and then read in your book until you find that answer. Read the second question and continue reading until you find that answer. That will give you a purpose for your reading. Then we're going to continue with the series. Yesterday you read about one section of the Caribbean. Today you're going to read about the Greater Antilles. The Greater Antilles houses these 6 places. Please bold or change your font as you fill this in. This might look easy, but it's more difficult than when you think, because what I'm asking you to do is just to write one fact about each one of these islands. But I want that fact to be what is unique and important about that place. So take all the details and pick what you think is the most important or unique to that area. So just one fact for each one of these places. Then you're going to zero in on Haiti itself and watch a short video just on Haiti. Again, change your font color or bold it and answer these video notes as you read or as you watch. The reason I'm having you watch a video just on Haiti is tomorrow we are going to be part of a presentation led by Paul and Bethany, who are the head of Mission Haiti. And they're going to tell us about the country of Haiti and their work at Mission Haiti. So we should do a little research prior to that, so we have some information going into that. So that will be a great way for us to end our week. So Chargers, go ahead and get at it. Read that section, watch those videos, do your best work, contact me with questions. Keep it up, guys.